Like any other language, some of the Twi alphabets sound differently from the way they are spelled, while some also sound just as how they are spelled. That is, just as how their names sound. For example, in English, letter C is spelled C. However, it sounds like K. For example, C in cat sounds K, just as what? K. The Twi alphabet consists of 22 letters, and there are 15 consonants and 7 vowels. The Twi consonants are B, D, F, G, H, K, L, P, R, S, T, W, and Y. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Twi consonants have the same sounds as their English counterparts, but the vowels, that is A, I, O, and U, sound a bit different. Below are the Twi vowels and their concomitant sounds. We start with A, that is A. A sounds as its name, A, like A in alphabet. Example, Anopa, that is morning, Anopa. So we have A. A is the next one. A sounds like E in eight or A in pay. Example, Ne, which means his or her or end. Ne papa ne mami, his father and his mother. Ne. The third vowel, and that is E. E sounds like E in error. For example, se, which means if. The fourth one is E. E sounds like I in ink. Example, nipa, nipa, and that is human. So E. The next is O, and it sounds like O in open. Example, onipa, onipa, and that is man, onipa. O. And then we have O. O sounds like O and A in O and all, respectively. Example, Oba, Oba, and that is woman, woman. And finally, we have U. U sounds like U in ubiquitous. U, U. Example, we have suku, suku, which is school, and that is U. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video for the sounds of the Twi consonants. And like I always say, keep learning Twi with Opoku. Thank you.